Discover the perfect blend of rustic charm and mountain comfort with this timeless 3-bedroom, 3-bath A-frame cabin nestled in the serene and sought-after Columbine Lake Country Club. Tucked at the entrance of a quiet cul-de-sac, this cozy retreat offers a secluded, wooded lot that feels like your own mountain paradise. Whether you're looking for a peaceful getaway or a place to create lasting memories with family and friends, this property has it all. The nostalgic A-frame design welcomes you from the moment you arrive with its steeply pitched metal roof, not only a striking design element, but a functional feature, ensuring efficient shedding of snow during the winter months. Inside, the layout seamlessly integrates with the surrounding natural landscape, creating a warm and inviting aesthetic. Relax in the great room with friends and family, or cook up a feast in the cozy kitchen after a day of fishing, kayaking, paddleboarding, or canoeing on Columbine Lake. As part of the Columbine Lake Country Club, you'll enjoy access to a range of amenities that perfectly complement the mountain lifestyle. Columbine Lake, a private space reserved exclusively for residents, offers endless opportunities for relaxation and recreation. The clubhouse is a hub for community and wellness, featuring an indoor swimming pool, hot tub, sauna, and gym. It's also a gathering space where neighbors come together for holiday parties and other year-round celebrations. Just minutes away, the historic town of Grand Lake offers a charming downtown experience with boutique shopping, delightful dining options, and a vibrant calendar of events. Golf enthusiasts will appreciate the nearby courses of Grand Lake Golf Course, Pole Creek, Grand Elk, and Granby Ranch, while those seeking even more outdoor activities can explore the breathtaking Rocky Mountain National Park. Step into a world where nature, comfort, and community come together. This A-frame cabin is more than just a home. It's an invitation to live life to the fullest in one of Colorado's most picturesque settings. Schedule a showing today and experience firsthand the magic of mountain living.